Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial from Biggerplate.com showing you how to use the task functionality in Ayoa. So to add a task to a box on your mind map, simply click on the relevant box or click on Add here. Select the I button, which is also known as the More button, and you'll get this familiar side panel here. In this top toolbar, if we then select Tasks, you'll see we now have the option to add tasks to our branch. So for example, say this is a task, and if I hit Enter, you'll see it's added this little icon here, this little marker to show that there is a task attached, and it's also appeared in the sidebar here in a manner that I can tick or untick it depending on whether or not it's completed. And I can add another task, so task 2, task 3. And I can add as many as I need, and you can see every time I add a task, it updates the number of tasks that are yet to be completed within this branch. To edit a task, simply click on the task you wish to edit. So we'll click on this first one that says this is a task. And then if we click on the text at the top here, we can change that text and we'll say task 1, save changes. Within this edit screen or this edit sidebar, we can also add checklist items to our tasks. So if your task is clean the house, for example, you could add checklist items like wash the dishes, vacuum the floor, and dust surfaces. And you'll see it's adding these checklist items within task 1. If I then click back on this little task icon here on the branch, you'll see on task 1 now it has a 0 from 3, meaning I've completed none of the checklist items within task 1 yet. To remove a task, come down to this little pencil icon in the sidebar, and then select the relevant tasks you wish to remove. So I'll select task 2 and task 3. And we say remove 2 tasks and they disappear, and you'll see that now on our add branch it's showing that there's only 1 task remaining. Hopefully that's all you need to start using the task functionality within Ayoa. For more Ayoa templates, tutorials and training, visit biggerplate.com.